So I have a set of these two injectors right here and an injector driver. These are Denso. They are for a D4D common rail engine. This is a Toyota Land Cruiser J120 Prado 2005 model, and the engine is 1KD-FTV. Now, a word on this driver right here. This injector here, this one that has that epoxy resin on it, we are trying to repair it. This injector is seized. The piston inside this injector is seized. That rod that is moved up and down as the injector is opening and closing, it's seized, and this injector, it got shorted to the body ground because of the solenoid coil winding heating up, trying to move that piston. So as a result of that happening, this injector, it blew this injector driver. So this injector driver is already blown up. Now, when you do the test as a technician or even an enthusiast DIYer, as you are doing the test on your vehicle, maybe you have the same model of the vehicle and you are doing a test on it, and you determine that this injector driver is blown up, is not working correctly. The ECM is communicating, commanding this injector driver to fire these injectors, but is not firing them, and the feedback back to the ECM is not good as well. Then you decide it's about time that you replace this injector driver. You go ahead and you source it from the market. Mostly, in most cases, brand new units are not that easily available. So the ones that are easily available in the market, they are good used ones. So if in case you go and you decide to buy another one so that you replace it, before you come and mount it on your vehicle, you first of all have to do a test, that basic test on these injectors, all of them on the engine. You do a basic simple test on them. I have a video, the link is in the description here, of testing those injectors, the basic test that you have to perform on them and determine if they are still in good condition, and then you can replace the injector driver. If you find them in good operating condition, you can go ahead and install this driver on the vehicle. The reason why I'm saying that is because if you go ahead and install this injector driver on your vehicle before testing these injectors, and say maybe one of them has failed, it has a short, it's shorted to the ground, is not working properly, you know what will happen? Immediately you switch the key, the ignition key, to the on position and try to crank that engine, that injector is going to blow up this driver right here. Immediately you crank that engine, it's going to blow up this injector driver right here. So you'll have to go back to the drawing board again because of one faulty injector.